Listen up. Most of us grew up thinking you had to wash everything after one wear. But here's the truth that's going to change your laundry routine forever. That idea is outdated, expensive, and frankly damaging to your favorite clothes. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and today we're diving into the real science behind when to wash your garments and when to skip it altogether. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. We're releasing new cleaning and life hacks every week that'll save you time, money, and effort. While you're at it, give this video a thumbs up so more people can discover smarter ways to care for their belongings. And please, drop a comment below telling me which clothing item you wash way too often. Trust me, you're probably guilty of this too. Now, let's get into it. Why washing frequency matters. Here's something most people don't realize. Washing your clothes isn't just about hygiene, it's about protecting your investment. Every time you throw something in the washing machine, you're putting stress on the fabric. Elastic breaks down, colors fade, and fibers weaken with each cycle. The real secret that experts don't want you to know? Your clothes last much longer when you wash them strategically. And the environment? You're also saving water and energy every time you skip an unnecessary wash. The key is balance. You need to clean things often enough to maintain hygiene and prevent odors, but not so often that you're destroying the garment. That's where the sniff test comes in. Yes, you read that right. Lean in close, take a whiff, and use your nose as your guide. If it doesn't smell, it probably doesn't need washing. Science supports this, and it's been used by smart dressers for decades.
Understanding garment types. Different fabrics require different care. Think of your wardrobe like a group of people. Some need more attention than others, and some can go longer between checkups. Delicate fabrics like silk, white clothing, and formal pieces require the most frequent washing. These items show dirt easily, attract stains visibly, and are prone to damage. Then you have your everyday wear, the t-shirts, tank tops, and casual dresses that sit directly against your skin. These items absorb your body oils, deodorant particles, and sweat, so they need more regular washing. On the other end of the spectrum are your heavy-duty items, denim, winter coats, wool garments, and leather pieces. These should be washed less frequently. Why? Because the more you wash them, the more the fabric breaks down, colors fade, and structure deteriorates. Heavy fabrics actually benefit from longer periods between washing. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. Tag us on social media when you start implementing these strategies. We love hearing success stories. The Complete Washing Frequency Guide. Let me break down your entire closet, item by item, so you know exactly when to wash each piece. Bras and intimate apparel. Start with bras, arguably the most frequently miswashed item in your closet. Listen closely. You should wash your bra every 3 to 4 wears, not after every single use. Here's why. When you wear a bra for 8 to 12 hours daily, it collects oils from your skin, deodorant particles, and sweat. The elastic stretches with constant use and washing. If you've invested $50 to $100 in a quality bra, it deserves proper care. Hand wash when possible. Use a delicate mesh laundry bag when machine washing, and never, and I mean never, put it in the dryer. Air dry on a rack instead. The same rule applies to shapewear. After 1 to 3 wears maximum, these items need a gentle wash.
T-shirts, tanks, and camisoles, these should be washed after every single wear. Think about the deodorant residue, body sweat, and lotions that accumulate. These items sit directly on your skin and absorb everything. Unless you're someone who barely sweats and leads a sedentary lifestyle, washing after each wear is non-negotiable. Jeans and denim. Here's where people make massive mistakes. Most of us wash jeans far too frequently. The reality? You can wear jeans 4 to 5 times before they need washing. Some experts even recommend going 6 to 10 wears between washes, especially if you're wearing denim with elastic or stretch fabric. Each wash cycle beats down the fibers, breaks down the dye, and weakens the material. The less you wash denim, the longer it stays looking crisp, maintains its color, and keeps its shape. If you're worried about bacteria, remember, bacteria need moisture to thrive.
Let your jeans air out between wears and you're fine. Leggings and yoga pants. Assuming you wear underwear underneath, and you should, you can stretch wearing leggings to 2 to 3 times before washing. However, if you've exercised intensely, sweated through them, or used them for high-activity workouts, wash them after that wear. Activewear needs special attention. Use warm or cool water, never hot water, because extreme heat weakens the elastic and spandex blend. Grab an enzyme-based detergent for pieces that have accumulated sweat buildup.
Pajamas. This might surprise you, but pajamas can go 3 to 4 wears without washing. Most people shower before putting on pajamas and then spend the night sleeping. That's relatively low-activity wear. You're not sweating heavily, not exposed to external dirt, and not accumulating much body oil in those few hours. If you're a night sweater, wash more frequently. Otherwise, 3 to 4 nights is completely acceptable. Swimsuits. Always wash after every single wear. Pool chlorine and salt water are harsh chemicals that damage elastic and dyes. Sunscreen, body oils, and sweat also break down the fabric faster. After washing, skip the dryer entirely. Heat destroys the elastic in swimwear and you'll lose the shape and support. Lay it flat or hang it to dry naturally. Outerwear, coats, jackets, and blazers. Different types of outerwear have different needs. Winter wool coats, once or twice per season. Leather and suede jackets, once per season, preferably by a professional dry cleaner who specializes in leather. Between washes, wipe them down with a soft cloth to remove surface dirt and dust. Down jackets, parkas, and vests need 2 washes per season. They can usually handle machine washing. Use the tiniest amount of detergent, less than a teaspoon, and select the delicate cycle. If your dryer has a low heat setting, add tennis balls to fluff the down and maintain loft. Regular fleece jackets and sweatshirts go 6 to 7 wears between washing. Blazers and structure jackets should also be washed every 5 to 6 wears, though high-end pieces benefit from professional dry cleaning to maintain structure. Sweaters. Cotton, silk, and cashmere sweaters, every 2 wears. These delicate materials show body oils quickly and lose shape easily. Wool and synthetic blend sweaters can go 5 wears between washing because they're naturally more resistant to dirt and odors. Pants, shorts, and khakis. Dress pants and skirts only need washing 2 times per season if you're not getting them visibly dirty. Casual shorts and khakis can go 2 to 3 wears before needing a wash. They don't sit as close to your skin as underwear or bras, so they accumulate less body oils. Winter accessories, hats, gloves, and scarves can be washed 3 to 5 times throughout the entire season. Cotton and synthetic materials handle regular machine washing fine. Just use mesh bags to protect them. Wool items prefer gentle hand washing in cool water with minimal detergent. Never wring wool. Instead, press the water out gently. Hosiery and stockings, these should be washed after every single wear. Hosiery sits directly on your legs and accumulates sweat, body oils, and friction. Washing maintains elasticity and hygiene.
The science behind the recommendations. Why do these guidelines exist? It comes down to 2 competing forces: hygiene and fabric preservation. Sweat and body oils are acidic. When left on fabric for extended periods, they actually damage delicate fibers at a microscopic level. This causes permanent weakening of the material. Stains also set permanently the longer they sit, making them increasingly difficult to remove. This is why waiting too long between washes is counterproductive. However, the washing process itself is aggressive. The agitation, water temperature, detergent chemicals, and drying heat all cause wear. Colors fade with each cycle, elastic loses elasticity, and fibers break down. For items like jeans and heavy outerwear, this degradation happens faster than odor accumulation. That's why washing them less frequently actually extends their lifespan. Think of it like maintaining a car. You need regular maintenance, but excessive washing damages the paint. The goal is finding the sweet spot where your garments stay clean and fresh while lasting as long as possible. Practical tips for success. Here are actionable strategies to make this system work in your daily life. Keep a mental count.
For everyday items like bras and pajamas, keep track of how many times you've worn them. Mark it on a calendar or use your phone's Notes app. It doesn't need to be perfect. If you lose count, just estimate. The sniff test. Trust your nose. If it smells fine, it probably is fine. This is your most reliable indicator across all garment types. Consider the season. Wear rates increase during summer. Items you can wear 5 times in winter might need washing after 3 wears in hot weather. Adjust your routine seasonally. Air out between wears. Hang items outside or in a well-ventilated area between wearing. Fresh air naturally eliminates odors and allows moisture to evaporate, extending the time between washes. Spot clean when possible. Notice a small stain? Treat it immediately with a damp cloth instead of washing the entire garment. This extends time between full washes. Follow care labels. Always check the manufacturer's instructions. These guidelines are general best practices, but your specific garment might have unique requirements. Invest in storage. Proper hangers, cedar blocks, and breathable garment bags help protect clothes between wears. This reduces the need for frequent washing because clothing stays fresher longer. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't wash formal dresses after every wear. Dry clean them professionally after each use only if absolutely necessary. Most formal wear can be spot cleaned and aerated instead. Don't use hot water on activewear. Cool to warm water preserves elasticity. Hot water is your enemy here. Don't put delicate items in the dryer. High heat damages elastic, shrinks fibers, and fades colors. Air drying is always preferable for bras, swimsuits, and delicate fabrics. Don't overwash whites. While whites should be washed more frequently than other colors, excessive washing still damages them. Use gentle cycles and cool water when possible. Don't skip reading labels. Different fabrics, different brands, different designs, they all have specific needs. The label is your friend. This washing strategy isn't just about saving money on laundry and detergent, though that's definitely a benefit. It's about being smarter, more intentional, and more sustainable. Every load of laundry uses water and energy. By reducing unnecessary washes, you're directly reducing your environmental footprint. You're also extending the life of your clothing dramatically, which means buying fewer replacements and generating less textile waste. Your favorite clothes will look newer for longer. Colors stay vibrant, shapes maintain integrity, elastic stays firm, delicate details like lace and beading remain intact, and your bank account thanks you because you're not replacing wardrobes constantly. So there you have it, the complete guide to washing your clothes smart, not automatically. You don't need to wash everything after every single wear, and frankly, doing so is working against you. Start implementing these strategies today. Pick one garment type, apply the recommendations, and notice how much better it holds up. Then share your results with us in the comments below. We want to hear which items surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more life-changing tips that'll simplify your routine and save you money. Share this video with your family and friends. We guarantee someone in your life is washing their jeans way too often. Hit that like button, subscribe for weekly content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Marcus, and remember, smart cleaning is easy cleaning.